Hello again. If you're ready to solve problems with multiplication with rational numbers, we can start. Let's look at the first problem. I will read for you. Adil buys a picture frame for putting her graduation photo in it, but her photo is bigger than the picture frame, which is square. So Adil cuts her photo from its size to fit it in the picture frame. How many square meters does the sum of the area of parts that are cut from the original photo? In the question, the information about finding an area of rectangle is given us, which is multiplying its side lengths. Firstly, stop the video and think about the question. What should be our first step to find the result? You can write your thoughts in the comments and I will check them. Come on and start to solve. We want to find the sum of the area that are cut from the photo. What should we do? Yes, we need to find the area of both the original photo and the photo after cutting. Let's start with first photo. Since the side lengths of it are 2/3 and 3/5, we should multiply these to find its area. While we are multiplying, we can simplify them with 3, and the result will be 2/5. For this photo, we should multiply 2/5 and 2/5. Do you recognize that the sides have equal lengths? What is the shape of it? Yes, Adil cut her photo and made it square. The area of this photo is 4/20. Now, what will be our next step? We found both the areas, but we want to find the area of parts that are cut from the original photo. You are right. We should subtract the area of second photo from the first one. Let's do this. We are seeing that the denominators are not equal to each other. So we should expand 2/5 with 5 and write the operation again. Now everything is okay. We can do simple subtraction. 10/25 minus 4/25 will be 6/25 square meter. The answer is B. This is the second problem. Eda and Melis play an operation game by choosing two cards with same color. Eda and Melis add the rational numbers which are on their cards to each other. Later, Eda multiplies her sum with the biggest rational number on the remaining cards she didn't choose. Melis multiplies her sum with the smallest rational number on the remaining cards she didn't choose. Eda chooses yellow cards and Melis chooses blue cards and they do necessary operations. What are the results they found? Stop the video and examine the question and the given rational numbers. I am very excited to see your comments about the solution. Come here, we will solve the problem together. Eda chooses these two cards, 3/4 and 2, and 1/2 is the rational numbers on it. Firstly, she adds them up by converting the mixed number to improper fraction. Also, in order to do adding, we should expand 5/2 with 2 because the denominators should be equal to each other. If we add 3/4 and 10/4, we will get 13/4. Now, Eda should decide the biggest rational number, which is written on remaining cards. Let's look at the cards. Which one is the biggest? Two of them are negative, so the biggest one should be positive. We should compare 13/20 and 1 and 3/10. If we convert the mixed number to improper fraction, we will get 13/10. In order to compare, we can expand 13/10 with 2 to make denominators equal to each other. We can easily see that 26/20 is bigger than 13/20. So, Eda should choose 1 and 3/10 as the biggest rational number. Then she multiplies it with her sum. While she is multiplying, she should keep the improper form of the rational number. Finally, the result of Eda will be 169/40. Now we will look at the operations of Melis. We keep the result of Eda here. Melis chooses these two cards. -2/5 and +13/20 are the rational numbers of them. Firstly, she adds them up by expanding -2/5 with 4 to make the denominators equal to each other. If we add -8/20 and 13/20, we will get 5/20. But did you notice that we can simplify the answer with 5 and we will get the 1/4? Now, Melis should decide the smallest rational number which is written on the remaining cards. Let's look at the cards. Which one is the smallest? Three of them are positive and one of them is negative, so the smallest one should negative 4/5 with no doubt. Now Melis should multiply it with her sum. The sign of her result should be negative because she multiplies one positive and one negative rational number. While she is multiplying, she can do simplification by dividing both numerator and denominator with 4, and she gets the result, which is negative 1/5. We keep the results of both Eda and Melis here. Look at the options. Our answer should be D. Thank you for watching this video and solving the problems. If you have any questions, you can ask by writing the comments.